SUNVIE transformer. Perfect for your landscape lighting. Wiring couldn't be simpler. Just secure your main wire to terminal block and tighten down with a screwdriver. External sensor designed with twist lock connector. Rotate to securely attach to transformer. Pro tip: open the sensor's cover to ensure it can work properly. Say goodbye to wobbly screw hook mounts. Our revolutionary mounting plate system uses included anchors kits and metal plate for stable wall mounting. Fix bracket of photocell and hang sensor on bracket. Pro tips: ensure that the sensor is away from light sources to prevent interference with its normal operation. The intuitive operation panel lets you set easily. Just press the button, you can cycle through all modes. Let's break down each function. Always on-off mode. When manual on-off indicator is on, you can press up and down to keep landscape lights always on or off. Dusk to dawn mode. When photo eye auto on-off indicator is on, landscape lights will turn on at dusk and off at dawn automatically. Set it and you can forget it. Mother Nature handles your schedule. Dusk on timer off mode. When photo eye on timer off indicator is on, landscape lights will turn on at dusk and off at the time you set. Timer on off mode. When time on off indicator is on, landscape lights will turn on and off at the time you set. Then, please watch SUNVIE's customer video show.